API Conference, Elevating API Literacy.
So what is serverless? I know most of us already understand what this is. I will just be breezing through the slides. If you really want to get the slides, there's a QR code to scan. You get to talk to us later and stuff. But I just want to show you what's possible building serverless applications. So serverless simply means managing, simplifying the management of cloud applications, meaning that you don't have to bother about patching, security, and managing of servers, right? Why do you need to go serverless? Because there's no need for infrastructure provisioning, automatic scaling. You pay for what you use, and it's available and secure. What are people building on serverless? These are examples of things like that. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute as a service. So it's like you are triggering, it's an event-driven function as a service, which means whenever an event happens, you can write a function to trigger. For example, if you are saving files to S3 bucket, for example, you write a function to trigger so that it saves maybe as a GIF or a JPEG. So these things can be hosted on AWS managed servers. So this is an example of serverless architecture where you can write your Lambda functions either in Node.js, in Python, in Java, any language, and it triggers whenever a particular thing happens on your infrastructure, right? So this is an example of an architecture that has the Amazon API gateway, which helps to route your requests into your APIs, and you have your Lambda here, leading to the Amazon DynamoDB. So Amazon API Gateway is a fully managed serverless service that makes it easy for you to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at scale. So what this is just saying that with Amazon managed services, you do not have to bother about security, you don't have to bother about patching, you don't have to bother about many things that you should have bothered about. AWS manages most of that while you focus on your writing your code and pushing to your users. So these are several integrations. So you can also integrate with your on-prem via AWS Direct Connect, and your API gateway reroutes and routes your request from and to the API gateway. So how can Cloud Plexo help as an AWS partner? Cloud Plexo as an AWS partner can help you get up to $5,000 in AWS credit. So if you are building anything that would need serverless architecture, you can simply reach out to us at Cloud Plexo. It will help you advice on security. We'll give you free cloud training, courtesy of the API Conference initiative. We also help you with localized AWS billing, financial cost optimization reports, and we can help you get a well-architected assessment. This means that we certify that your infrastructure meets AWS standards, worldwide. So you can the fastest way to get across to us is first to meet me right here. That's the fastest way. The next fastest way is to scan this QR code, right? And the third fastest way is to send a mail to contact@cloudplexo.com. We'll schedule a session, and we'll see how we can help you with your serverless journey. Thank you very much. Have a great day at API Conference.
API Conference, Elevating API Literacy.